Hello and welcome back to HLS Crypto. My name is Dan. Really appreciate all the feedback, by the way, from the Christmas Day live stream. I think it certainly helped one or two. So that's great. That's great to know. It was really important to sort of do that, and we did it. If I look absolutely knackered, I was obviously back in work, so I've been working. So I'm just trying to make sure that I stick to a video a day. I want to talk about real world assets, one particular one, because I've still got PTSD from labs. As you know, labs it didn't sit right with me, and I've come across this. It's called Propbase. So it's quite interesting. So we're gonna have a quick look through the website, quick look through the Twitter and price and things like that. So this is welcome to the future of real estate investing. Now, if you think that real world assets are going to be a narrative in the bull run, then it may be worth picking up something like this. Obviously, AI, gaming coins, memes right now, things on Solana are absolutely flying as well. Quant's doing good too, so that's always good. But we're going to take a look at this one today. So, welcome to the future of real estate investing. Start with it as $100 and get on the ground floor of high quality, resilient real estate assets with fractional ownership. Buy only on MEXC today. I know MEXC are having potential difficulties. We're not sure whether that's FUD or not yet because there's conflicting stories. Props has achieved record-breaking success and over 1 million in volume on November the 10th on the official launch. So kind of like that's how it's going to look. You can do a trial to have a look at the app or be the first to see the app, but we'll look at that in a second. They aim for 8 to 12% yearly yield, 5 to 6% capital gains, 4 active regions, 25 million under tokenized value. I think I'm going to sneeze. Yeah, I did. Built on Aptos, which is something that's quite interesting as well. So Propbase is highly scalable, fast, and secure blockchain-based tokenized property transaction platform built using the most advanced technology, transforming property in modern liquid asset class. So it's going to have it's obviously got the distributed web, the Aptos blockchain, and the IDO partner. So buy props on MEXC, 400,000 props daily trading volume, low fees, top 10 exchange. By volume, how involved MEXC are in this, I don't know. A next-gen property investing experience. So it's got fractional ownership. Every property is tokenized and you can purchase all or a fraction of the total property. Now, again, I'm getting labs vibes. So I'm interested in the real estate side of things. I just don't know how big a narrative it's going to be. Like, could it potentially 100x? I believe the market cap's around about $3.5 million at the minute. So, $350 million market cap for 100x. I mean, it's potential. Earn rental yield. Every property comes with a guaranteed rental income locked in for a set period of time. Qualified properties. All properties are qualified assets with management companies. P2P marketplace. Sell your token anytime by creating a listing on our P2P marketplace. Yeah, there it is there. So you can have a demo of this, but you have to sign up for it. So you go onto demo and then you can put your name and your email address in and have another good look through the actual what the platform would look like. Our app is great for individuals, enterprises, and funds. So it goes through a little bit of that here. It says, for what the individuals would get, Propbase makes property investing accessible to everyone, get the same opportunities as large investment funds, and tap the benefits they've enjoyed for years, which I think is important to try and get everyone else on a bit more of a level playing field. For enterprise, diversify and safeguard your enterprise's balance sheet against inflation with a globally diversified real estate investment portfolio while enjoying the added benefits of liquidity. And then for funds, build a high-performance portfolio in some of the world's best and fastest-growing locations in the world. Your global reach has never been this perfect. And again, obviously, you can come through and have a complete look at the actual website itself, but it's a geographical focus in Southeast Asia at the moment. Properties listed on the platform are newly built and managed by professional property service companies, so you never have the headache of dealing with tenants or property maintenance, which I think is obviously a bonus. So they're looking at residential, they're looking at commercial, they're looking at condo launches. Again, it just has that labs feel to it, and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing at this stage. It seems to be relatively bullish. I've had a look at the white paper. I've had a look at the light paper and the roadmap. You can have a little flick through those yourselves. We'll take a quick look at the team as well. The team's not huge by the looks of things. I think there's 3 on when I checked. So we're experts in blockchain innovation, Web3, SaaS-based products, and global online marketplaces. Our team has a proven track record for building successful tech platforms worldwide and distributing the real estate industry. Disrupting the real estate industry since 2012. It gives you options to join the team as well. So you've got your founder and CEO, which is Kevin Goose, entrepreneur and expert in technical platform development. Hudson Lueng, expert in growth strategy, Web3 and marketplace. And Jesse Gage, expert in building online marketplaces, media and marketing. I think this is being marketed okay at the minute. I don't know how many people know about this particular project at the moment. The value that shapes everything we do. So you've got execution, innovation, high velocity growth, and an awesome team. How awesome? I'm not sure yet, because obviously there's only like 3 members in there, and then it gives you a bit of a story about how they came together and how they kind of put this together as in like what they wanted to do, what they wanted to achieve. There's a few positions open there now with them as well. If we click on tokenomics, I'll show you that now as well. So the props token is designed to power the entire prop-based platform, and allocation has been intelligently designed to reach global demands and scale to revolutionize the world's greatest asset class, which is property. So IDO, 20% went that, 35% rewards, 10% liquidity pool, 12% to the company, 3% foundation, and 5% advisors, 5% seed, 10% marketing. Supply is fixed at 1.2 billion tokens. New tokens can't be minted, and all token allocations are issued via smart contracts upon token generation event. IDO allocation, lockups in Aptos blockchains, we know about, really low fees. A uniform method of settlement for all smart contract interaction. So it may well be something that's worth looking into. It shows you what you probably get like here, which congratulations, it looks like you're about to unlock your rewards. You'll get 500 props. Rewards are milestones you can get by using the prop-based app. And then you've got an option for settlement. The props token is utilized. Oh, just going to move that down slightly if I can. Yeah. The props token is utilized as a uniform method of settlement for all smart contract interaction on the platform. Users of the platform will require the props token to make purchase orders, create listings, and transfer yield generated. There are 6 main smart contracts, all designed to a specific task related to a transaction process. Each smart contract is coded in Move and requires the props token to update on the Propbase global registry. And then, like I said before, you've got the rewards. It has a protocol with 35% of the total allocation supplied to the rewards. And then it's got, for membership, a user on the platform can select a membership to receive exclusive offers, promotions, and early access for new properties listed on the marketplace. Membership tiers are based on the amount of props or USD that you stake. Staking will earn yield, which members can use to purchase property or exchange for crypto directly in your wallet. Any amount staked can be unstaked at any time at close to 0 fees. So it's interesting. It is interesting. How well this will do, I don't know. I'll show you the roadmap briefly because it doesn't really give you much information about future roadmaps. So it shows you what happened in 2023. And it goes through kind of like what they achieved, and a lot of this is ticked off, so it's good. It looks as though they are building for something. But then when you get past 2023, and we look further ahead, obviously to 2024, because we're going to be interested in what sort of direction they're going to be going into. Phase 5 is further expand platform and growth scaling. Well, it doesn't give you a lot of information about how they plan on doing that. So that's something that I think they could really do with updating on there. The sentiment on x.com seems good. So someone here has put that they... Oh, 2 seconds. Go back. Someone's put here that they bought more props because Propbase is an exciting real-world asset project. Plus, they're going to start their aggressive marketing soon. And they have 3 new things to announce this week. I don't know what they are. That was posted on Christmas Day. Again, there's another one here saying that there's big potential growth for real-world assets in the crypto space. Another guy, Cold Boy, is saying that the staking platform is coming soon. It's going to do a 10 to 20x till next week. Fill your bags while there's still time to buy before the train leaves. Now, obviously, a lot of people are going to be bullish on what they've previously purchased, so maybe there's an element of shilling involved on x.com, obviously. And then they've put them a poll up themselves saying, what hotel from Siamese asset on the prop-based marketplace will you buy first? At the minute, the Hilton's winning. Second is Wyndham Hotel and Resorts. Again, there's some stuff on Propbase themselves. Propbase is a solid path to recovery and set to make significant impact in the real-world asset sector. Soon, with $1 billion partnership, the project's market cap is currently only $4 million. That was back on December 22nd. I believe it's around about 3.5 million at the minute, from what I could find out. They've wished everyone a Merry Christmas, which is good. Maybe you don't have money to invest in real estate, but you can invest in the cryptocurrency Propbase right now. Propbase is a highly scalable blockchain-based tokenized property transaction platform. It's still totally undervalued. This is the right time to go in, potentially. It also was, I think, a 7x from this date back on the 25th. Another one there saying they've bought their bag. And this one as well. This is quite a good one from Andreas. It's going to be huge in the next few days. Staking app soon. Prop-based marketplace platform, Q1 2024. More asset tokenization partnerships coming. So, a lot of people seem to be quite bullish on it, but obviously, take that with a pinch of salt. The X.com page that's got itself has got 51.4 thousand followers. Seems to be based in Thailand. So, there is elements to be bullish in this. It's quite a big amount of followers for something that's relatively new. The price is up 6.4% today. It's at 2 cents. 2.6 cents. Again, it doesn't say its market cap on there, but I believe it's around 3.5 million. November the 30th was its all-time high, so it is down 22.7% from then. So, and this is the max chart itself. So, no real major dumps, which I think is quite interesting. On launch, it is sitting around about them levels. So it's got potential. I feel like it's got potential. I haven't bought any. So I'm just gonna be completely transparent. It's one of these ones that I want to kind of run past you guys, see what you think, because obviously you always tend to put a lot of great stuff in the comments. So if you think this is something that could 100x, I mean, potentially it could, but a lot of things could. And how popular is real world assets going to be? I don't know. I think there is definitely a place where it should come into the sector. I think it is a good idea. I like the idea behind property. I like the idea behind tokenized property. Just how realistic is it to be something that's going to really take off in this particular bull run? I don't know. I'm thinking still, obviously, gaming, AI. Your DeFi platforms will start popping up left, right, and center during a bull run, as will the launch pads. So, is there a place for real world assets within, to get a good enough pump? Potentially there is. This seems to have quite a bit of potential, decent trading volume. I like it. I like it from this first kind of little look into it. If you want us to do a full deep dive, obviously we will. We'll go into a bit more about the team, maybe check a lot more about the future plans. But for me, it looks okay. It looks okay. I'm not buying any. I haven't bought any. But this could potentially, be a decent X return. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. If you like it, if you hold it, if you don't like it, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. I really appreciate when you guys do that. And subscribe-wise, we're getting closer to 2,700 now. So if we can hit that by today, that would be fantastic. By today, I mean by the time I next do a video, because it's like 11 at night here in England, and I've got to go to work again first thing in the morning. So wherever you are in the world, whatever you're doing, have an amazing day, have an amazing evening, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy. Goodbye.